Hello and welcome to my review on an AEG ERgorapido cordless hoover, 18 volt lithium battery. What can I say about this? Two factors that I really like. One is the 180-degree head spin when it's on, and the other thing is the lights, so you can see where you're going. It's always handy, especially in dark spaces. I also like the fact it has two different speeds of suction, one high, one low. It also has a 2-in-1 piece that comes off like this, so you can use this on the stairs, which also you get a tool like this to add into that for nasty little crevices. So again, very handy for the car or for the stairs. The only thing that I don't really like about the whole hoover is the suction. It's not great on carpeted floors. I prefer it on hard floors. It works better. Well, that's probably personal to me, but that's how I feel. It comes with a stand charger, which is quite easy for you to just slip the hoover into, and charge lasts, well, quite a long time. I would say at least an hour. For me, allows me to do a 3-bedroom house in one go. So I hope that this is helpful, and that you may want to purchase one of these very soon, because they are a very good hoover. Thank you. Hello and welcome to my review on an AEG ERgorapido cordless hoover, 18 volt lithium battery.